Hey, my name is Dor, and together with the team behind Mod Bikes, we're excited to officially welcome you to the Mod Squad. In this video, we'll cover the basics of operation, maintenance, battery care, and security for your new mod bike. You'll see a few different models and components throughout this video. Your bike may look slightly different, but everything we go over applies to your mod bike as well. If you have questions, visit our help center at modbikes.com or reach out to our support team. We strongly encourage you to read the full user guide for complete details. All right, let's get into it. First, a few basic functions of your bike. To power your bike on, press and hold the I button on the handlebar control panel for about 3 seconds until the display turns on. The display shows you speed, battery level, pedal assist levels, and trip information. To adjust pedal assist, use the plus and minus button for more or less support from the motor. Press the throttle gently to engage the motor with or without pedaling. Keep in mind, by default, the throttle will not be available on off and fit mode. Your bike is equipped with hydraulic disc brakes. Always use both front and rear brakes by gently squeezing both levers for safe, controlled stopping. If your bike is equipped with a sidecar, it may include a parking brake feature. To engage it, press the small button while squeezing the brake lever. To release, simply squeeze the brake lever again and the lock will disengage. To turn on the front and rear lights, hold the plus button for 3 seconds. Riding with lights is recommended even during the day for better visibility and safety. Now let's cover battery, charging, and care. To charge your battery, plug the charger into a standard wall outlet. The charger light should be green before you connect it to the bike. Plug the charger into the battery port and the light will turn red, and this means that the battery is charging. A full charge from empty can take up to 8 hours. The light will turn green when the battery is fully charged. Then unplug the charger once the battery is full, or use our charger timer to automatically shut it off. We recommend charging after each ride or once your battery reaches about 50%, so you're always ready to go. If you won't be riding for a month or more, store the battery at around 50% charge. Storing it full or empty for a long period of time can damage the cells, and this is not covered under warranty. Also, avoid extreme cold or heat. The recommended storage range is between 41 to 95 Fahrenheit or 5 to 35 Celsius. Bring the battery indoors if your garage gets too hot or too cold, then those temperatures. Let's talk about maintenance. Preventative maintenance keep your ride smooth, safe, and cost efficient. A quick pre-ride check is recommended before every ride. First, make sure that there are no loose screws or components, that all the folding mechanism work properly and all the quick releases are properly locked, and nothing feels or sounds unusual. If something seems off, contact us or your local bike shop immediately. Once a month, check your tire pressure. The recommended PSI will be printed on the sidewall of your tire, and you can also get our electric pump to easily inflate your tires. Keep your drivetrain lubricated with the proper lubricants, such as our one-step cleaner and lubricant, to keep your drivetrain operating smoothly. Every 4 to 6 months, or about 500 miles, have your bike professionally inspected and tuned up. To keep your bike safe, record your VIN number and register it with your local police department to help protect against theft. Always use a high-quality lock. We recommend the Mod Foldy lock for strength and portability. For even more peace of mind, add our Mod Alarm and Finder device for live tracking and instant alerts. If you purchase the mod accessory, check our user guides on our website for detailed assembly and use instructions. All of our accessories are designed to work seamlessly with your mod bike. Before your first big ride, take a moment and take a short spin. Adjust your seat height, handlebar position, and control so the bike fits comfortably. Make sure everything feels secure and smooth before heading out to your big ride. This is it for our quick start guide. I hope that this guide was short and informative. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@modbikes.com. Please keep in mind to read the full user guide and keep up with maintenance, and always please ride safe. From all of us here at Mod Bikes, welcome to the family. We can't wait to see where your new bike is going to take you. Bye!